Morning, guys. Back on the water. I had to clean some spiders out of the kayak first this morning. I'm out on the Erie Canal. A lot of pound on the water. Oh, there's a little baby turtle. Little box turtle. Nice. Oh, it's a gorgeous morning. Beautiful. Oh, there's a little snapping turtle just popped up right there. See his head? Oh, he just went right back down. A little snapping turtle. We don't want to catch that. That's for sure. This is the spot where I used to bring Josh, my son Josh, over here when he was little, and we'd sit up top over up there and bobber fishing here with like chubs and minnows, and we used to do pretty good. Josh has caught pike, bass on bobber. There used to be a lot of fish hanging out over here, and we used to sit up top. We'd park across the street by the church, and then we'd cross the street and hang up here. Son of a gun, I think I had my camera off. Sure, I turned my camera off and I caught a little bass. Are you kidding me? I didn't even have it on camera. Son of a gun. I thought the camera was on, guys. I got a little one over here. Son of a gun. Sure, I turned the camera off for a minute, and then I get one. I forgot I had it off. So I'm acting like the camera's on and all that, taking a picture of them and all that. Figures. Good fingers, guys. This is a good sized little bass too. Probably about 10.5, 11 inches. We got another one. Oh yeah, this is a nicer one though. Oh yeah, this is a little better one, guys. Don't lose him. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot my darn net today. Oh yeah, he's a nicer one, guys. Don't let him get off. Don't let him get off. Oh, that's a nice bass. Oh my God, he inhaled that thing. That's what I was forgetting. My my net. Get it out of there. It's caught up pretty good. Almost got it. Come on, man. We almost got you, buddy. Hold on. God darn it, get out of there. Finally, get out of there, mister. That's a nice bass. Let's see about how long he is. Where's that thing I just had? Let's see. 11 inches. He's a good sized bass. Oh, Jesus, he's a spunky little guy. He took right off. Nice. Well, at least I caught that one on camera, and that was a nicer one, actually. About time. I've been fishing for like almost 2 hours now. Now we got a couple. Yeah. Yeah, about 11 inches. I got the other little one up in there. Not a bigger one. I knew I was forgetting something. Forgot the net. Net and anchor. Now it had everything. Oh, we're going to be in a crash course to the ducks. Crash course right into the ducks. Hey, ducks. I guess this is Tonawanda Creek off the Erie Canal near Lockport Road. Got one. A little one. Oh, is that a Rocky? It's a Rocky. Got a Rocky, guys. He's a heavy, little heavy though. Tiny little Rocky. Oh, I missed her. You're almost off. There he is. Top of there. Little Rocky. That's a pretty good size one. Let's see how long he is. Oh, maybe like 7 inches. I love their eyes. Cool eyes. Black and red eyes. Their eyes are cool. Thanks for hitting, Rocky. Hi guys. Unfortunately, I ran out of battery up here, and up here across from West Canal Marina, I caught 2 more fish. One was a nice bass, 14 inches long, and the other one was a big rock bass, 10.5 inches. I think it's one of the biggest rock bass I ever got. And that's about it for this one. Hope you all are doing well. Take care, and we'll see you guys later.